What's going on with the truckers? Man, I had so many subscribers send me this picture right here, and it just brought back so many memories. All I have to say is, how many of you have been over Hood River Bridge? Because this bridge is sketchy as hell. I mean, it's the state line from Washington and Oregon, and all I have to say is, man, if you are a wide load, you better have an escort all the way down telling everyone to stop, because if you don't, you will get stuck. And that's exactly what happened in this picture right here. People have been making fun of it. No, it's not good to make fun of things like this, but people are like, caption this, you know, in this picture, what would you say really happened? And when I looked at this picture, I did crack up and chuckle a little bit, and I was like, hey man, do you have any directions? Because it just seemed like that's what he was asking him. But yeah, they were stuck. So, mother truckers, all I have to say is, this is the tightest bridge that I could think of that you're allowed to go on. And tell me how many of you go on it every single day, and how sketchy is this, and are you ever scared of getting stuck? Because that's exactly what happened, and I would hate to back up 4,000 feet. Man, mother truckers, comment down below.